Taking so long? Why are you not ready, by the way?
It's freezing out there. You have to be ready. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't push me. Bang. Good morning. Good morning. It is today's Thursday morning. The time is 10 o'clock, and we just got up. Ready to go for food shopping because supposedly we have a very bad weekend. We have how do they call it? Yeah? How do they call this thing we're having? We have a snowstorm. Is that?
Snowstorm.
We have a snowstorm, and so we just want to go grab one or two things. We want to get like maybe a few stuff that we need, because if it's that bad, you never know how the roads will be. You never know if we will even have power, but hopefully we don't lose power. Power is one thing I could not want us to lose, because if we lose power, guess what? We're gonna be freezing. We're gonna be freezing. So guys, come with us and let's go shopping. But we gotta introduce ourselves. As always, my name's Arisibia Guto, and
Mr. Guto himself.
Mr. Guto himself. So
He's back.
we are back. We're gonna be bringing more stuff. If you haven't followed, please do consider following us and walk with us in this journey. So we still have the other snow down. When did it snow again? Was this from Sunday? From Sunday, we still have the snow. What do you mean? It's a wheel. It's a wheel. Wait, what car are we using? This one? Okay. Oh my goodness. There is a whole lot of people here. Even parking now is a whole problem. Just gonna get in there and grab what we can. Little quick and come back. Are you not gonna wait for me? The shoes I got on, I can't even walk to help my life. Yeah, I don't know. Just too much going on here. There is a whole lot going on, by the way. That's the only salt. Yeah, just get it, because we don't know if there is any inside. If there is, fine. If not, just get that for now. Aye, watch out. We needed like one or two or more. How many do we need? Then there's a shoveling, whatever there. We're gonna use the other one too. Okay, we're gonna pick a few things here and there before we go back. What? Are these avocados good? You wanna pick one avocado? Huh? You got it? Yeah, just get one. They're gonna ripen. They have a good deal here. Okay, what else are we? We're gonna get some tomatoes. Oh, maybe we need some lime. Look, they are nice and big. Let's get maybe one or let's get a few. Yeah, one is 69 cents.
So how many we need?
Get like 5. Yeah, these are big and juicy. How many did you get there already?
Yes.
Okay. Then let's go to the tomatoes side.
You want spinach?
Do they have kale? Yeah, I think we can get kale. Oh, they don't have the good kale. We're gonna get some tomatoes. Oh, today they have big ones.
Yep.
Today they have big ones. Even this one got some. The other ones that came here found big ones. They switched to them. Okay, you take this. But you know, the bigger the more they weigh. That's one thing you have to know. And I hope they're juicy because these tomatoes, sometimes they're not even juicy. You know? I might make fish over the weekend, so let me get more tomatoes for fish. All right. That's good enough. You know what I want, Brother Burma? I want this. Maybe one or two. The crispy ones. Garlic crispy. These ones. What? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna go and get some iced tea. You know what I want? I want something for my hair. I don't know where we got that oil. There's some oil I'm looking for my hair. Even I don't know where to find it, honestly. I don't know where to find the oil. So we got some iced tea. Is that enough? You wanna get another one to make 3? Because I know this one's like maybe we can get one of these. Kiwi, strawberry. How about with her? No, that they don't like diet. Let's get that. Okay, now we're gonna go and get let's go and get what? Let's go to the milk side. This sort of side. We have eggs, I think. Oh, you know what I need? Is the baking stuff? Where's the baking stuff? So after he got the milk, we went to the baking side to get some. But we didn't even know which ones to get. Reason being, my husband and I like turkey, while one of the kids likes bacon and another one likes beef. So it was a whole lot of confusion right here. But anyway, at the end of it all, we just picked one of the turkey, which is kind of everybody eats. From there, we went to get some beans, because there's some things you shouldn't miss in the house, especially when you are expecting a big storm. There are some foods which don't go bad. You don't need to put in the freezer. So you're not worried that they're going to go bad or anything. So I thought grabbing some beans could be okay. So I went for the, uncooked ones. These ones, I can cook them myself. And one thing with these black beans, they cook so fast. So I got them and I joined my husband in the line, which was pretty much long. The line wasn't a joke here because everybody is shopping, remember? And first come, first served. Time to check out. And it went by quick than I expected. I thought I was going to be stuck on the line, but I guess we were lucky enough. We're all done and ready to go home. That was kind of quick than I expected, given the number of people that are out here, right? I know, but still, remember when we came in, we didn't even have a spot for parking. I know, I didn't even know. I didn't realize until yesterday when they were talking at work. And I'm like, wait a minute, what are you talking about? Yeah, we have snow coming up, like 12 to 16 inch. I'm like, oh.
God, I'm off.
I didn't know. Thank God we are off on that day. And they better not call me to go in, because I ain't going. Are you gonna go if they call you? We gotta stay home and be safe.
I think the roads are passable, that's fine.
Let's see how it goes.
Yep. It's clear on my side. All clear on my side.
That's it. Them cars passing, running
It's
around.
clear on your side. So do what you know best.
Okay, so we are done shopping. We really didn't need much. We just kind of needed the basics, right?
Just the basics.
Just
That's
the
all.
basics, like milk, like what else?
Tomatoes.
Some beans.
Mhm.
You know, the quickie ones, and some drinks. I think we have enough water. Do we have enough water, by the
Yes,
way?
we do.
We do?
Yep, that can see us through the weekend.
Yeah, hopefully we have enough water, but I'm thinking we should have gotten like maybe one or so.
But I think the roads will be clear.
I know, but the
Yeah,
thing is,
they're prepared for it.
we're having
One good thing
A lot of-
is that the county is ready.
prepared.
They're aware of the situation, so they're prepared.
But we are talking of nature. Nature, you can be prepared, but then you still get overwhelmed. So you should over prepare yourself, honestly.
But remember, we have not had snow for
We
3
haven't
years
snow-
now.
I mean, not crazy snow. We have had a little bit here and there, but not crazy.
We
But this
almost had White Christmas this season, but it came after.
Wait,
right?
that snow came after.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have had one large snow so far on this season. And by the way, I thought this season we were going to have more snow, and I see we're having more snow. Last year we barely had snow. Last year we
Yeah.
barely had snow. But this year it looks like we're gonna have a few snow here and there. But this one is going to be the big one. If it doesn't like subside,
Yeah.
I think it's going to be one of our big snows. Yeah. But anyway,
I see we still have snow out there.
yeah, we still have some out here melting off. It hasn't melted off because it's been so cold. Pretty
Yeah.
much this week has been like really cold. So hopefully it melts off before we get the other snow coming in.
Yep.
So this time we just got some salt ready, you
Yep.
know. So we have 2 bags. There was barely any salt when we went there. There was barely any because, you know, it's bought out or it's sold
It's
out.
sold out.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we are home.
People get scared.
And that's it from us for today. If you
Yep.
haven't followed us, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Go down there.
Yeah, and hit that bell.
Subscribe what?
Subscribe.
Button and the bell so that they get notifications every time
Once
we
we post.
Yes.
Even we forgot this, but we are back, guys.
We're back. We're back.